Mr. Jayantilal, KIP is booked on the single entry system, that is on a incomplete records. Following information is available from his records. उसके record से हमें ये सारी information दी है. Now this information में certain balances is given on 1st of July 2017 and 30th of June 2016. मतलब see, this is a opening का figures which has been given. This is a closing figures. Obviously what I told you कि जब से ही opening का कुछ data आया, first you have to see that whether the capital is there or not. If capital is not there, then we can prepare a statement of affairs and we can just find it out. And so that data, this data will be useful for us. क्योंकि ये साल के लिए अगर ये ओपनिंग है तो प्रीवियस ईयर का ये क्या रहा होगा, क्लोजिंग रहा होगा. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन प्रिपेयर अ स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अफेयर्स. नाउ वी हैव अ even the cash book which has been given, that is a summary of a cash transactions which has been given, receipts and the payment, because cash is a real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So debit what comes in, तो अगर आया तो receipts, गया तो payments. इसके लिए payments are written on a credit side and receipts are written on a debit side. Now next is, see, before reading to all these things we need to first read the what has been given. Investment consisted of 4% government bond of the face value 10,000 and were purchased on 1st Jan 2016. So this is a investment. Investment हम कहाँ record करते हैं, balance sheet में. Correct. And so ये we have to just do it. And see, this was been purchased on 1st Jan और हमें investment पर क्या मिलता है, हमें interest मिलता है. So if this is purchased on a 1st of Jan and if our closing is 30th of June 2016, then we have to charge the interest only for, मतलब we will be getting the interest for a 6 months. Okay, we will be getting the interest for the 6 months. Prepare trading profit and loss account at the balance sheet from the above figures. So you have to prepare a trading profit and loss account and the balance sheet. अब देखो, just check, अभी देखो receipts payments एक बार देख लो and see whether they have given any information for the purchase or any information for the sales is given. Just check once. If the information is not there, then we will have to prepare a debtor account as well as we will have to prepare a creditor account. From debtor account, we will be getting the credit sale. From the creditors account, we will be getting the credit purchase. तो देखो नहीं है information पूरा पढ़ने के बाद, so you will have to prepare the debtor and the creditor account as well over here. ठीक है, इसके बाद जैसे जैसे जो एंट्रीज आएंगे हम देखते जाएंगे कि what is been. Now over here we have a bills receivable and the bills payable का opening and the closing balance is also given to us. So just we need to see कि whether हमें क्या आ रहा है. ठीक है, so we'll see, अगर हमें bills receivable bills payable account बनाना पड़ा तो we will also prepare a bills payable and the bills receivable account because opening and the closing is given. So basically what we will do, we will first prepare and keep two accounts and फिर decide करेंगे bills receivable account और bills payable बनाना है या नहीं. हाँ, if it is given or if it is given or difference in the amount is there, then you prepare it up. If it's given and the difference in the amount is there, then you prepare. So it's better we prepare and keep the bills receivable and the bills payable account as well. So 4 accounts will be prepared: trading profit and loss account, balance sheet, and opening statement of affairs. Like statement of affairs, why we are preparing to find out the amount of a capital. So what we will do ultimately, हम पढ़ते जाएंगे और directly adjustment का posting करते जाएंगे. So you have to give the heading first in the books of Jayanti Lal, trading profit and loss account for the year ended 30th June 2016. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. नाउ दिस इज अ ओपनिंग स्टॉक. देखो ओपनिंग बैलेंस दिया है तो सबसे पहले तो आएगा ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में टू ओपनिंग स्टॉक 28,000. Second where it will be recorded in the statement of affairs stock 8,000. We have a closing value as well. क्लोजिंग वैल्यू एक तो जाएगा ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड पर बाय क्लोजिंग स्टॉक 30,000. Second effect in the balance sheet, closing stock 30,000. Then we have a bills receivable opening balance as well as the closing balance. So opening balance, once it will go in the bills receivable the statement of affairs. Bills receivable 8,000. क्लोजिंग जाएगा करंट बैलेंस शीट में 6,000. And if we are preparing the account, so opening closing will also be recorded in the account. So balance brought down 8,000. By balance carried down 6,000. This debtors opening and closing is given. So opening account में जाएगा plus it will go in the statement of affairs. Closing debtors in the balance sheet. $18,000. Secondly, oh, it will go in the account. Opening was 14,000. The closing 18,000. You have to be very much careful, huh? While posting, you have to be very much careful, huh? अगर एक भी इफेक्ट कहीं मिस हो जाएगा तो वापस टैली नहीं होगा. Next is bills payable. Opening will go in the account as well as the statement of affairs. Closing will go in the account as well as current year का balance sheet. Bills payable. Payable 4,000. Next, it will go in the account. balance brought down because bills payable have a credit balance. 4,000 by to balance 5,000. Next is sundry creditors. One, it will go in the opening balance will be recorded in the statement of affairs, closing balance in the balance sheet, and same way opening and closing in the accounts. Creditors, 9,000. Opening creditors, 12,000. बाकी बैलेंस लिखोगे. Creditors have a credit balance, 12,000. Closing balance on a debit side, next we have a cash at bank. So एक तो ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अफेयर्स और दूसरा जाएगा बैलेंस शीट में. $5,000. $3,000.